Here we are in DC Cycles in Seremban 2. Let me take you for a short tour and what's inside. Here we go. Okay, here we are in DC Cycles together with Desmond. This is the weight of my bike with the tires changed, as I mentioned earlier, 7.970. What's going to happen now is actually I'm going to remove the 105 crank and replace it with my 165 outrigger together with the Q-ring chain ring, and we will see what's the weight like, and later we'll have a chat with Desmond. Cheers. Okay, the changes have been done. What I've done is actually changed to a Q-ring 4636, and the back rear pulley has been changed to ceramic as well. Hi Desmond, thanks for setting up my bike. Just a few simple questions. This is the Gusto Cobra Evo.
Yes, this is the latest Gusto Cobra Evo. So it equipped with the latest 12-speed 105 Ti2 group set system lah. Okay, and then with the budget of our friend here, Mr. Vishnu. So yeah, we comes up with this model, and then we already changed from the stock 5034 T chain ring. We changed to the 4636 Roto Q ring, and then we also changed the rear pulley to ceramic pulley lah. And also to reduce the weight of this bike from 8 kg plus, we managed to bring down the weight of the bike from 8 plus until 7.8 plus now. Okay, we changed also the tire to the Maxxis High Road lightweight tire, and then also the TPO inner tube.
Just to check with you, Desmond, apart from all these changes, right, there's a tremendous weight savings. In regards to the cost, of course, if you buy the higher model, you're going to pay a slightly premium price with a lower weight, but this we are paying a bit lower in terms of the price, but we get a lower weight on it. Just the simple things that you change in terms of like the tires and of course the chain ring, makes a big difference to the ride. So now basically Desmond is actually in the DC Cycles in Seremban 2, and if you want to actually buy these bikes or buy the components, please look out for him.
Yes, just come over, then we can talk about the bikes. Not only really you want to get your bike, or else you can get our service here, because we are specialists in servicing and repairing. And then most of the bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, folding bikes, we do as well.
And on top of it all, he actually does also bike fitting, which is spot on for me. So of course, don't waste your time, get a new bike from DC Cycles and from Desmond. I can assure you, he'll give you a very good costing, as well as you mentioned. If you mention the promo code V1, then you know it's from you.